Hey everybody! Welcome back to another affiliate marketing episode where I reveal the best offers for you to promote right now that are crushing it in the affiliate marketing space. Unlike e-commerce, Amazon stores, or building an online course, affiliate marketing doesn't require you to wholesale or even create your own products or services. Instead, you'll be promoting someone else's offers and collecting a commission every single time someone makes a purchase or signs up through your link. That's why I truly believe if you're interested in making money online, but you're a complete beginner, you have to start with affiliate marketing. And today I'm going to show you how to make money online simply by helping entrepreneurs or small business owners with their email marketing. And look, if you're an email marketing expert, that's great. This could really help increase your income. But if you're a total beginner, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to leverage other people's expertise so you don't have to be a pro just to make money in this niche. Plus, stick around until the end because I'm not only going to show you how to make some quick money with this method, but how to potentially turn this strategy into a full-time income. But before that, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever someone asks me what my favorite way to make money online is, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You're simply promoting someone else's programs and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. So you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. All right, let's get into it. Step 1. You're going to become an affiliate of an email sender called GetResponse. Now there are a ton of email senders out there, but GetResponse is one of my favorites for a few reasons. 1, they're super affordable if you're just getting started. 2, they have a mobile-friendly app so you can send emails from anywhere you want. And 3, they have one of the best affiliate programs out there. A lot of people know you can make 33% per sale in monthly recurring commissions. But what most people don't know is they also offer a bounty commission of $100 to anyone that signs up. That means even if someone only signs up for their $15 a month service, you still make $100. So if you get 10 people to sign up in a month, that's $1,000 right there. All right, so let's move on to step 2. Now we've got our offer. We're going to build an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. In fact, my team built one just for this funnel. And I'll include a link in the description where you can get it for free and use it to promote GetResponse. But here's a quick breakdown of how an affiliate funnel works. Typically, there's 2 parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift that you either create or find. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important. But for now, just know that this page is designed to build your email list. Since we're talking about email marketing right now, this could be a PDF guide, a video training on how to get started in email marketing or something like that. Again, you don't need to be an expert or even create this yourself. You can go on to Fiverr and have someone else put this together for you. In fact, in the funnel we built, we actually used a training from GetResponse on why email marketing is actually better than social media marketing and why every business owner needs to grow their email list. All right, so that's the landing page. Second, we're going to build a thank you page, which gives them the free gift or training, but also includes a place to put your affiliate link so when someone clicks on that button and makes a purchase, you can get a sale that quickly. So now that we have our offer, we have our affiliate funnel built, it's time to move on to step 3. So step 3, promote additional offers through email marketing. Promoting GetResponse is a great way to make some extra cash and build your email list. But if you're really looking for a way to turn this into a full-time income stream and make some serious money online, the way to do that is to continue promoting offers and products to your list. These additional offers can be landing page software to help capture leads, copywriting software, and AI to help write emails from scratch, additional courses on how to make money through internet marketing. That last point is key because while many people are interested in email marketing, many are really interested in making money from the internet regardless if they have a product or not to promote. Now, if you're hearing all this and thinking to yourself, this sounds great, but how do I build out a funnel for myself? Find customers to visit that funnel and sign up. Find additional products to promote with even higher commissions than GetResponse. Well, there's 2 ways to go about this. You can build out this entire funnel and ecosystem on your own, or you can partner with someone else. And no, I don't mean just become an affiliate of someone else's product. This is a bit different. Instead, you'll be partnering with someone else's entire business so you can use their funnels and their marketing and even promote their offers as your own. The best part? You can literally get started with just a few dollars. Don't believe me? Check out the link in my description to see for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified immediately when we release a new video like this one. Then click the like button and leave me a comment. See you again soon. Bye-bye.